Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use GoodRx at Walgreens. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So you can directly add GoodRx to the Walgreens app, but you can use GoodRx discounts at Walgreens by following these steps. So the first step is to head over to your browser, and then on the search bar simply type in GoodRx coupon codes, and once you hit enter and scroll down, you'll be provided with a bunch of websites that provides the GoodRx coupon codes such as this. Now once all you gotta do is simply select a website, and once you do that, here you'll be provided with bunch of GoodRx coupon codes like GoodRx 20% off coupons and promo codes December 2024. All you gotta do is scroll down and look through it. All you gotta do is simply click on this copy code, and then all you gotta do is copy the code. And once you have copied the code, what you need to do is open the Walgreens app and sign in. Ensure your prescription is linked to your account in the prescription section when you pick up your prescription at the Walgreens. So the pharmacist the GoodRx coupon either printed or on your phone. The pharmacist will enter the GoodRx information into their system to apply the discount. Once the GoodRx discount is applied and the prescription is purchased, you can track it as usual in the Walgreens app. Note that the app will not reflect the GoodRx discounts unless you inquire about the price adjustment directly at the pharmacy counter. So that's basically how you can use it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.